The 5-hole BurButler is made of autoclavable silicone, and each of the holes on the 5-hole BurButler will take any burr. These burrs can be placed easily, retained, even if you tip the BurButler over, and they can be removed easily with one hand. The BurButler also has an autoclavable lid made of a very strong polymer which will grip and close the BurButler, protecting the burrs inside against any aerosol effect within the surgery environment. The lid can be again moved one-handed, and the BurButler can be processed through the sterilisation cycle, putting it through the washer disinfector, the ultrasonic cleaner, or the autoclave, and returned to the dentist ready for use.